Hello students, this is Supriya Mogle, Assistant Professor at Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I am here to discuss about entrepreneurial development in India. This is the part of role of state and central government in promoting entrepreneurship. So in this video, we are going to learn the various factors that can influence the development of entrepreneurs. So we'll start. First we'll see introduction. There are various factors contribute to the growth of entrepreneurship. Factors are different in nature and also they are uncountable. The environment to which a person is exposed has strong influence in shaping his character, and there are factors including social, demographic, psychological, economical, etc., which influence the development of an entrepreneur. So the factors that contribute to the growth of the entrepreneur are different in nature. There are a number of factors that can affect on entrepreneurship, which include social, psychological, and economic factors also. So what are the different factors that influence the entrepreneurial development? First is educational background, then occupational experience of that person, desire to work in manufacturing line or desire to have branches out of manufacturing, his family background, the assistance from the government, okay, then assistance from the financial institutions, availability of raw material or availability of technology. These are the factors that can influence the entrepreneurial development. Then some internal factors are also there, like their willpower or the desire to do something independently, because his education, occupation, and family background, etc. factors make the personality of individual, and these educational or these personal factor generate the tendency to adopt the entrepreneurial activity. So his education or the occupation and family background can affect on the development of entrepreneur, and these personal factors generate tendency to adopt the entrepreneurial activity. Now socio-demographic variables are education, technical qualification, family background, occupational experience. These are also socio-demographic variables, and these factors are responsible for emergence of entrepreneurs. Then socioclimate, that means political, social, psychological atmosphere, also responsible for the development of entrepreneur. Then income of the person. See, higher income and the level of living also affect on entrepreneurs development, because it facilitates the growth and development of one's ability. And suppose lower income, in lower income entrepreneurs disposed their jewels, their land, buildings, and they entered into business. So there are two different persons from higher income and lower income, and that can affect their development. So that's why education, technical knowledge, and family background played a great role in influencing the entrepreneurship. Then next point is joint family system. Now joint family system in India has promoted entrepreneurship by providing environment, developing skills, and building strong tradition and customs. Okay, so born with silver spoon. Those who are born in rich business families with silver spoons, not only they have advantage of having capital to run the business, but also they learn the business skills, or they learn the basic concepts of business skill by continuous interactions. And also because of they have the business family, they have contacts with parents, or the contacts with uh, customers, employees, their friends, relatives, etc., and these factors lead to have success in the entrepreneurship. Then age, young age 25 to 35 group is an encouraging factor to take up the risk and do the business. Then marital status, caste, religion factors affiliated serve as a contributory factor for entrepreneurial growth. So these are the factors that can influence the entrepreneurial development in India. There are some economic factors also. Economic development in entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurs introduced new commodities in market. He introduces new methods. He finds out new sources of raw material for the production, and he finds out something innovative methods of marketing. Then entrepreneurs take risk, and it leads to have industrial development. He provides vast employment opportunities to the society, and they solve the problem of unemployment or underemployment. If there is increase in production and employment, it leads to have increase in per capita income, and also increases standard of living. Then they provide variety of consumer goods as well as variety of industrial goods. They create competition and provide commodities at very cheaper rates. Ultimately, if production increases, per capita increases. When per capita increases, standard of living increases, and ultimately it will lead to increase the national income of the country. So that's why entrepreneurs can have a good impact on development, okay, a good impact on economic development. So this is one part of entrepreneurial development in India, as entrepreneurs introduces new commodities, new methods, new sources of raw material, some innovative process of production, methods of marketing. Then they take risk, it increases the employment opportunity, and then increases production, per capita income, standard living. They provide variety of products and they create competition. You will get the goods or commodities at cheaper rates, and ultimately it will lead to increase the national income. So here I complete my video. I hope you understood the entrepreneurial development in India. What are the different factors that can influence the development of entrepreneurs? Thank you.